Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Vivobook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen on your Asus Vivobook, you're not alone. This common issue can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, making your device unusable and potentially affecting other components. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the Asus Vivobook. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful around the edges to avoid damaging any internal components. Once the back cover is off, locate the cracked screen. It will be attached with several screws and cables. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the screen. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Now, gently disconnect the cables that attach the screen to the motherboard. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and carefully connect the cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are securely attached. Then, align the screen with the mounting points and replace the screws you previously removed. Ensure they are tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this could crack the new screen. After securing the screen, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If the display looks good and there are no issues, you've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent future cracks, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Always handle your device with care and avoid placing heavy items on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.